Hi everyone, welcome to Suvi'sJournalism. My name is Suvi and this is my channel, and I'm passionate about helping you make the best choices when it comes to your health and skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really useful trick to help lift hooded eyes using the Helloskin mini Hifu device. If you're not familiar with the Helloskin device, then make sure you watch my introductory video on how to use the Helloskin mini Hifu machine on the skin and beauty playlist of this channel, Suvi'sJournalism. Hifu stands for High Intensity Focused Ultrasound, which is a face-lifting technology that uses ultrasound to heat the deeper layers of your skin, right down to the superficial musculoaponeurotic system, or SMAS. Heating the deeper layers of your skin encourages tightening of the collagen fibres, thereby lifting of your face, as well as stimulating new collagen fibres to be produced. Along with treating your jowls, neck, cheeks and forehead, this technology can be used to help lift the sagging skin above your eyelids. But how well you succeed at doing this can largely depend on technique. I used to just hold the device against my brow bone here, just under my eyebrow, and do a few shots with the 4.5mm setting and hope for the best. But my dermal therapist recently gave me a great tip on how to do it much more effectively. You should put the handpiece in the same position under your eyebrow like this. But the difference is you then push the flesh above your eyebrow down like this, so your skin kind of bunches up under the handpiece. This is where you're delivering the focused ultrasound energy shots into, and it's this thick roll of skin that's absorbing this energy and having its collagen fibres tightened rather than bone. This technique is going to help produce more collagen and elastin over time, helping to counteract the effects of gravity and giving you that eye lift result that you're after. I have to admit that before I knew about this technique, doing my eyes with my Helloskin device was the one part of my face I really dreaded. It hurt when the energy hit my brow bone and I wasn't really seeing the results I was expecting. But since I've been doing it this way, it hardly hurts at all and the results are better. As for under the eye, it doesn't hurt as much, even on the 4.5mm setting, as long as you're directing the energy into that fleshy area just above your cheekbone. For those of you who've watched my video on how to use the Helloskin device, you'll know that I try to use my machine on at least one of the settings, either the 4.5, 3 or 1.5mm depth, about once a week to help with that ongoing collagen production and skin tightening effect. It's important to understand, however, that looking after your skin and trying to delay the effects of aging is always going to require a multi-pronged approach if you want to see the best results. For example, I recently had plasma fibroblast therapy to help tighten up the skin around my eyes too, and you can watch that video on the skin and beauty playlist of this channel, Suvi'sJournalism. All these treatments and therapies, whether they're in clinic or at home, build upon each other to help you address the visible signs of aging and, more importantly, help to keep your skin as healthy and vibrant as possible. So stay well and keep looking after your skin.
And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye!